guys, welcome to my channel Smart Swagger. I am Aditya. In today's video, we will discuss all about NEET exam. NEET exam is written by students who are aspiring to become doctors in their future. If you are currently studying 11th or 12th grade right now, then this video will be very much useful for you. In this video, we will discuss all about NEET exam like pattern, syllabus, marking scheme, and finally we will discuss about the qualifying cutoff of this exam. Do watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. NEET exam or National Entrance Cum Eligibility Test is a qualifying exam for medical courses like MBBS, BDS and PG courses in both private and government colleges. NEET exam is conducted by NTA, which is National Testing Agency. Once a year. It is conducted once a year. NEET exam is carried out in offline mode with around 11 to 13 lakh candidates every year. This year, in 2020, around 16 lakh candidates have been registered for the examination. Now, let us discuss about the syllabus of NEET exam. The syllabus of NEET exam is 11th and 12th, Physics, Chemistry and Biology. Most of the questions in NEET exam comes from NCERT. So, if you read NCERT thoroughly, then you can score a good marks in NEET exam. Now, let us discuss about the pattern of NEET exam. There are total 180 questions in NEET exam. 45 questions from each section. There are 4 sections: Physics, Chemistry, Botany and Zoology. The questions are in objective type. The exam is conducted in 11 languages: English, Hindi, Marathi, Bengali, Gujarati, Assamese, Tamil, Telugu, Oriya, Kannada and Urdu. The duration of this exam is 3 hours. Now let us discuss about the marking scheme in NEET exam. If you write the correct answer, then 4 marks will be given. If you write the wrong answer, then 1 mark will be deducted. If you don't answer a question, then no mark will be given or deducted. Now let us discuss about the eligibility criteria to write the NEET exam. The first criteria is nationality. Indian nationals can apply for this exam. Students who fall under categories like NRI, OCI and PIOs can also apply for this exam. The second criteria is age. Candidate must have completed his age of 17 years to write the exam. The third criteria is subject. Student must have studied physics, chemistry and biology in his 11th and 12th to appear in this exam. The fourth criteria is marks. If a student is from general category, then he should get at least 50% of marks in his 12th to appear in NEET exam. If a student is from reserved category, then he should get at least 40% of marks in his 12th to appear in NEET exam. Now let us discuss about the qualifying cutoff of NEET exam. If you are from general category, then you must get 50% to qualify the exam. If you are from reserved category, then you should get 40% to qualify the exam. If you are from general category and a PWD person, then you should get 45%. If you are from reserved category and a PWD person, then you should get 40%. The cutoff varies from year to year. The cutoff is determined by NTA based on the availability of seats and the number of candidates appearing for the exam. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I upload new videos. If you have any questions to ask me, drop in the comment section. I am making a series of videos on exams that you can give right after completing your 12th grade. Do check out my previous videos. Have a good day. Until the next time, from Aditya, see you.